Welcome to One Point Japanese. Today's Japanese lesson, grammar. This channel helps you learn basic Japanese step by step. Today's grammar is from JLPT N5. Today's grammar is kara, means because or so. Let's practice with questions and answers. You can use to explain a reason. Example 1. Question. どうして日本語を勉強しますか? Why do you study Japanese? Answer. 日本が好きですから. Because I like Japan. Example 2. Question. どうして早く帰りますか? Why are you going home early? Answer. 疲れていますから. Because I am tired. Example 3. Question. どうして水を飲みますか? Why do you drink water? Answer. 暑いですから. Because it is hot. Today's grammar was kara. Thank you for studying Japanese with us. We upload new videos every Saturday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. See you in the next lesson.